Did you know that you can improve and protect your eye health from daily damage by drinking a healthy fruit juice with powerful ingredients? Today, you will learn about the essential nutrients for eye health and how to prepare this powerful juice. We will also discuss easy and practical lifestyle changes that can make a significant difference in maintaining eye health. Before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started. Importance of eye care. Did you know that vision is one of the most important senses in daily life? It is also one of the senses most exposed to damage throughout the day. Activities such as working, reading, driving, and communicating all rely on our sense of vision. Vision loss or problems can significantly reduce the quality of life. Now that we understand why we need to protect our eyes, let's look at which harmful habits can damage them. In short, screens. Blue light emitted from computer, phone, and television screens can cause eye strain and disrupt sleep patterns when exposed for long periods. Additionally, staring at screens for prolonged periods causes eye muscles to work continuously, leading to eye fatigue and headaches. Since we tend to blink less while looking at screens, this can also cause dry eyes. Dry eyes can cause burning, itching, and discomfort. Prolonged exposure to the sun's UV rays can lead to serious eye conditions such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and pterygium. Those who work outdoors and live in sunny climates are at greater risk. Remember, what we put on our plate directly affects our eye health. The relationship between nutrition and eye health. Just as healthy eating has a significant impact on our overall health, it also plays a critical role in our eye health. Eyes are one of the most sensitive organs in our body, and the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants we get from food help keep our eyes healthy. Proper eating habits contribute to the prevention of eye diseases and the maintenance of existing eye health. Fruits and vegetables are indispensable foods for eye health, especially fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, protect our eyes and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Eye diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma usually occur due to aging and can lead to vision loss. However, it is possible to reduce the risk of these diseases with proper nutrition. Essential nutrients for eye health. Did you know that more than 200,000 people in the United States are affected by glaucoma each year, and this disease is one of the leading causes of permanent blindness? This highlights the importance of early diagnosis and treatment, as glaucoma often progresses without showing obvious symptoms. A balanced diet is essential to keep our eyes healthy. Let's examine the necessary vitamins for eye health and the foods that contain these vitamins. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is known as a powerful antioxidant and has many positive effects on eye health. It reduces oxidative stress caused by free radicals in the eyes, preventing cell damage. This slows down the aging process of the eyes and maintains the health of eye cells. Vitamin C reduces the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It supports collagen production, an important protein that helps keep blood vessels in the eyes healthy. Healthy vessels ensure adequate blood and nutrient supply to the eyes, which is critical for overall eye health. Some foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, strawberries, kiwi, papaya, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red and green peppers. 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient for eye health. It is critical for retinal health and supports night vision. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness. Vitamin A maintains moisture balance on the eye surface, preventing dryness. Dry eye syndrome can cause discomfort and inflammation. Like vitamin C, it reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin A strengthens the immune system and protects against eye infections. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to eye infections and deterioration of the mucous membrane in the eye. Some foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and Swiss chard, red and yellow peppers, eggs, milk, and dairy products. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is known as a powerful antioxidant and provides significant benefits for eye health. It maintains cell membrane stability and supports cell renewal, helping to keep the eyes healthy and preserve vision. Its antioxidant properties reduce the risk of inflammation in the eyes, helping keep them healthy. Some foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocado, sweet potatoes, and olive oil. 4. Zinc. Zinc is necessary for the function of the rhodopsin pigment, found in the retina, which provides night vision. It works with vitamin A to maintain proper visual function. A deficiency in zinc can cause cell damage in the eyes and slow the healing process. Some foods rich in zinc include red meat, seafood, legumes, eggs, and grains. 5. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are natural compounds called carotenoids and have many positive effects on eye health. They reduce the exposure of the eyes to harmful blue light waves. Blue light emitted from computer screens, smartphones, and other digital devices can cause eye fatigue and damage to the retina. These pigments filter blue light, protecting the eyes and reducing digital eye strain. Lutein and zeaxanthin can enhance visual sharpness by maintaining the health of light-sensing cells in the retina, providing clearer and sharper vision. Some foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin include spinach, egg yolks, corn, broccoli, green peas, and squash. Nutritious juice recipe for eye health. Now that we know which nutrients are beneficial for eye health, how about applying this knowledge with a delicious and nutritious juice recipe enriched with essential nutrients? Ingredients: 2 carrots, rich in vitamin A, 1 cup of kale leaves, full of lutein and zeaxanthin, 1 cup of spinach leaves, full of lutein and zeaxanthin, 1 small beet, great for circulation, 2 oranges, source of vitamin C, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, natural anti-inflammatory, 1 cup of water to adjust consistency. Preparation: 1. Wash all ingredients thoroughly. 2. Peel the carrots, oranges, and beet. 3. Cut all ingredients to fit into the juicer. 4. Place the leafy greens in the juicer, followed by the carrots, oranges, ginger, and beet. 5. If the juice is too thick, add a cup of water. 6. Mix well and serve immediately to enjoy all the nutritional benefits. Practical eye health practices. In addition to consuming nutritious and healthy juice, there are simple practices you can apply in daily life. 20-20-20 rule. Working for long periods in front of screens can lead to eye fatigue and discomfort. To prevent this, you can apply the 20-20-20 rule. 1. Take a break every 20 minutes if you are working long hours with screens such as computers, phones, or tablets. 2. During the break, focus on something else for 20 seconds to rest your eyes. 3. Look at an object approximately 20 feet, 6 meters away, to relax your eye muscles and maintain focus ability. Protecting eyes from harmful UV rays. It is important to protect our eyes from the harmful UV rays of the sun by wearing UV-protected sunglasses. Sunglasses block UVA and UVB rays, protecting eye health. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause cataracts and macular degeneration. Polarized lenses reduce glare and provide clear vision. It is also important to drink enough water to keep the eyes moist. Dry eyes cause discomfort and increase the risk of infection. In this video, we discussed how to strengthen your eye health with healthy nutrition and simple daily practices. You now have the knowledge to protect your eye health. Our channel has many videos to help you pay attention, not only to your eyes, but also to your overall health. If you have watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.